Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Rotary Club Jowai kala Pynskhem yaki Nongkitkam nakabanta ka Samoi Treikam jong Snem arhajar arhajar arpolai. Ha kajinya lang kabala long hayeng dorbar kalom suyong New Hill Jowai hakas ngisat jan. Ha kajinya lang Pynskhem kabatep kum ka 27 installation ceremony. Ladon lang ukong san Rotarian Vincent H. Pala balong ru MP ka Shillong Parliamentary. Ha kajinya lang kabala penyai de Rotarian Montri Pasa President Rotary Club Jowai arhajar arpawar. Bad Rotarian Sami lalu President Rotary Club Jowai arhajar arpawlai. Ka Rotarian EF Gatpho Charter President Haba Ai Jingkren kalabatai syapangka jingmut jongkaktin installation hapo ka Rotary Club. Bad kalaya ro ya ka jing Treikam Rotarian Montri Pasa ringkat ka kenhun jongu. Bad kalakit bakit riang ye Rotarian Sami lalu President Rotary Club Jowai arhajar arpawlai bad ya ka kenhun jongu. Rotarian Vincent H. Pala ula ong ka jingdon hapok ka Rotary Club kadai ka lat bat ka kabu ban wanra ya ka jing sngaw yajan jong kibriu nakawai kari siya kawai kari. Kiwai di kibalaya don lang ki kentob ya Rotarian DF Majau, Rotarian R. Nongtedu, Rotarian SK Lato, Rotarian Dr. Kamwade Sengkon bat Rotarian Dr. D. Aikjam, ubala airu yaki kentin kublai. Yaki Nongkitkam ka Rotary Club Jowai jong ka Samoi Treikam arhajar arpawlai la Pynskhem de Rotarian Vincent H. Pala.
Comes every year in Rotary, the feeling in minds of all the Rotarians, because on this day, a team of Rotarians, the office bearer, the board of directors will take the yoke of responsibilities on their shoulder to serve the club with zeal and enthusiasm. In the installation meeting means the happy ending of another Rotary year. Happy ending of another Rotary year. And signal the beginning of the new year in Rotary. That is installation meant for. To serve the club as a president is really a challenging but an enjoyable task.
My life. It was only through Rotary I could get a visa to visit America. We have been to London, we have been to Japan, we have been even to Australia, we have been to South Africa, we have been to so many places in the world, even into Dubai to Rotary Club.
School education from the Jowai Government Boys High School. As a student of the high school, I can see he is a very brilliant boy.